In this video I will show you how to clear cache in Google Chrome web browser. First of all, start Google Chrome. Next, click on the icon with 3 dots in the top right corner. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. In the menu that appears, click on Delete Browsing Data. The Delete settings for deleting web browser data will open. Click on the Basic tab. Here, select the time period for which you want to clear the cache. I will select all time. Leave only the web browser cache option checked and click the Delete Data button. The cache will be cleared. Thank you for watching.